Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can convert a Microsoft Word into a PDF. So please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So the advantage of converting your document from Microsoft Word document into a PDF is that whenever you want to share this document into like email, through mail or through Bluetooth, the structure and the pattern of the sentences will not be changed. I mean, like the structure of the document will not be changed because in some cases that if you're going to share the document, the Microsoft Word document by just a document or by just a Word document and not a PDF, the words right here will, for example, the film right here, there will be no space in between, or the words will have no space in between, and also this will be like the paragraphs will also have not spaces. They will be closer with one another. The structure will be devastated, not that totally devastated, but the structure will not be as it is when you are working with it in your Microsoft Word document. So the structure will be destroyed, not all the structure, but some of the structure of the document. So might as well we are going to make it as a PDF. So how can we do that? There are two ways. You have here in your Microsoft Word the File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, Help tabs. Click on the first tab, which is the File tab. Then in the list of options right here, click on Export. Now you have here Create PDF or XPS document. Click on this Create PDF button. Now the file name is a Cinderella story. Save as type. This is already PDF. Then you can simply choose the destination path right here. So I'm going to save it on desktop or where you want it to be saved and click on publish. Now let's see. So we have here the a Cinderella story, which is a PDF document. Now we are going to open it. Also make sure that you have a PDF reader on your Windows installed like the Acrobat or like the Adobe Acrobat reader. So here, this is now a PDF. As you can see, this is one way. And also another way is that click on the File button on your File tab on your Microsoft Word document and click on Save As, this one. Then you have here the path, click on Browse. I'm going to Desktop. Then here you have Save As Type. This is the file name. And you have under it Save As Type. Click on this drop-down menu. And you have a lot of choices right here. But since we are going to convert it into PDF, click on PDF. And then click on Save. So do you want to replace it with this one? Click on OK. And here, this will be opened as PDF. Just also make sure that you have a PDF reader on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.